All right, YouTube, we got some phenomenal weather today in Custer State Park. We are going to be hiking to the high point of South Dakota, Black Elk Peak, formerly Harney Peak. We're going to be about 7,200 feet of elevation, but we only have about like 1,500 foot climb. This is going to be great. The weather's great. Join us on this hike. Let's go. Coming out of the parking lot, what you want to do is you want to hang a right. You're going to follow Trail 9. 7 miles in round trip, 3.5 out, 3.5 back. Can't wait to see what this has to offer. High point of South Dakota. About a football field in, and the terrain is still the same, except we've got a little bit heavier of a grade starting to form. Oh man, but look at these rocks. They're absolutely gorgeous. And just breathe in that air. It's really good for your head. Leave the tech at home, leave the headphones at home. Just let your head get a workout, you know, with your thoughts. What? We're about 2 football fields in now, and it just got a little bit steeper. The terrain's pretty solid for you to get a nice step. We are now right in front of our first trail split, and it hit us with a serious uphill. So it's a little bit like a CrossFit workout where it's raising that heart rate, lowering the heart rate, raising the heart rate, lowering it. We're at the first split. You can tell not many people take that one. It's not very well worn. We're hanging to the right and following Trail 9, and you can see that it's a well-worn path. Here we are. You can see that point all the way up there. That's where we're heading, on the other side of that valley. That is going to be epic. I can't wait to get over there. Let's keep going. We're about 1/3 of the way through the hike. And look what we get. Woo! Just went up another small incline. Rewarded again with magnificent views. This hike has some inclines and some declines. Right now we are going down, probably go into a valley and come back up. We are still traveling downhill, which means we're gonna have a heck of a climb ahead of us. That's why we came out here. Exercise and to enjoy taking time outside. We've now gotten to this thicket of trees, and I can't see any mountains anymore. It's nice and cool. I'm really enjoying all the pine around us. Looks like we made it to the bottom, y'all. There's a lovely little stream coming through here. All right, another split. We're just gonna keep going straight. Ignore that split there. Just past the halfway point, the trail feels a little bit less groomed. It's still in really good condition, and we're getting into some more unilateral work. When you're crossfitting, we know we do a lot of step ups. This is exactly where they come in handy. .3 miles in. It says it's an 11% grade right now. Trail is really closed in, and it's not nearly as groomed as it once was, but there's definitely a lot of flat spots to step on. All right, we're getting into that real exercise now. These big old chunky step ups coming up. This is why we CrossFit. Turns this rocky stuff just a standard walk. All the different modalities we work on so that you can live and enjoy more and more of this. Yes, more of this, more CrossFit. Get out and keep living. That's what we want you to do. Oh, got my beef jerky snack. Second to last split, we're hanging a left. Still following trail number 9. For those of you that have done Chad, it's a little bit like it. Up and up and up. Honestly, this may be one of the shortest hikes that I've ever been on that's got these kind of views. Last turn, gotta just take this left. Flat land again, and guess what? More spectacular views. Keep stepping up, because there's the top. Gets better. We're not even at the top yet. Here we go. I know I'm filming a ton of stairs. This is what the end looks like. Lookout tower's insane. Well, that's it. That was a nice trail. 3.1 miles to the top. Epic views all the way around. Granite cliffs, stair set of doom, lookout tower at the top. That was just amazing. I mean, this trail provides so many great views that you've got to get out here and live with fitness. Oh, look at these stairways to the top.